Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's presentation topic is blood collection. So, as you can see in this picture, that how we can collect the blood from the animal. Actually, there are different sites from where we can collect the blood, and this is one of them. So, the basic knowledge we should know about the blood collection is also known as phlebotomy. Now the question arises that why we collect the blood from the animal. Actually, there are several purposes for which we collect the blood from animals, such as a diagnostic testing, for the blood transfusion, and for the diagnosing of the disease or monitoring the health condition of animal and the safety of the blood transfusion. For these different purposes, we collect the blood from animal. And now there are types of blood collection. It means how and from where we can collect the blood. The first one is a venipuncture. It means from the vein. We collect the blood from vein, typically in arm. So for which purpose, if we collect the blood from vein, then which tests we can perform from that blood, such as a blood test, blood donation and transfusion. These type of function we can perform after collecting the blood from vein. The second one is a capillary blood collection. So the capillary blood collection, it means simply from the pickering skin, such as usually the fingertip, to collect the small amount of a blood. For which purpose we use this? For glucose testing and newborn screening. Okay, and these are different parameters for which we use this type of a collected blood. And the third one is arterial blood collection. Actually, the arterial blood collection, it means from the collecting the blood from artery. Why we collect the blood from artery? To access the oxygen and carbon dioxide level in the blood. And here in another structure picture we can visualize that how we are taking blood from pets. Okay, so the step procedure of blood collecting. The first one is a preparation. What is mean the preparation? Preparation, it means you have all the necessary equipment used in blood collection. The second one is patient positioning. It means you have to position it in the right position in animal. Different positions are of different animals, such as if we are talking about pets, then you have make the palms upside of the pets. Okay, the third one is a venipuncture. It means you can collect the blood through the venipuncture, through the arterial blood, and through the capillary blood. Okay, now you have collected the blood. The fourth one is a post care. Post care means after collecting the blood, you have to taking care of the animals, monitoring the animals. You can look at the hair. That first of all we have removed the hairs for clear visualization of artery to collect the blood. And these are the different tubes which are used in blood collection. So these are of with different colors, and these different colors show the different purposes and different tests. Okay, so the now comes about the hygiene, that hand hygiene. If the human which is taking the blood, he should must wear, first of all he should must wash the hands, then he wear the gloves and mask, etc. Needle safety, it means after the usage of the needle you have to immediately uh, dispose of it, of that used needle. Okay, and the third one is comfortably monitor for any adverse reaction. If after taking the blood from the animal, if there is any adverse reaction, then you have to monitor it. So this is the third type of hygiene. And now in this picture you can visualize the different instrument used in blood collection. Okay, the last one is labeling and documentation. Now if you take the blood in a tube or in a container, then on that container with a permanent marker you have to label it with the information of a patient with the date and time. Okay, as you can see in this picture, it's the same thing which are discussed in previous one. So thank you very much. I hope you got this topic.